Hovering above the stunning Pennington Beach in Durban, South Africa, our drone captures a mesmerizing scene at the tidal pool. As we gently descend, the waters reveal swimmers enjoying the serene embrace of the ocean. Each stroke and splash creates ripples that dance under the sun's golden rays. This aerial perspective offers a unique view of the harmonious blend of nature's beauty and human joy. The tidal pool, a natural haven, is a testament to the unspoken bond between the sea and those who seek its tranquility. As we draw closer, the laughter and joyful moments shared by friends and families are almost palpable. This is a place where memories are made, where the ocean's rhythm meets the heartbeat of those who visit. Pennington Beach, with its pristine sands and welcoming waters, remains a cherished destination, a slice of paradise on earth.